I realized I haven't updated the vlog in a while. You saw that I went to breakfast, had some quiet time, and I have just like my face. I'm breaking out like right on my lip, which is so disgusting, but it is what it is. So I got breakfast, and then it turns out that the skirt that I wanted to wear it's not giving what it needs to give. So I went to Target earlier to get a different skirt. So I got one. And so, yes, we'll work on the outfit part later. The thing is, for my hair, I was going to wand it down and then do a have to maybe kind of thing. I wasn't really sure. I forgot my wand. Okay. So I was like, okay, guess I'm gonna have to do an updo because I can't wand my whole head with my flat iron, which is what I did for these front pieces. So I did a like braided updo. You guys can see the back here. It actually turned out better than I thought it would. Okay, so that's what we're gonna go with. I need a ribbon though, like, so I have to stop by. There's a Forever 21 at the mall right over here. So I have to get a ribbon. I have to get a ribbon because the girly in me just has to have a ribbon if I'm gonna do an updo. So right now we're filming TikToks. We are doing my makeup now, and then I'll show you guys the fits, okay? I have the skirt with the jersey. I also have jeans. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with. It's gonna be hot. I also bought a poncho because it could rain. So it's better that I put my hair up because, you know, natural hair and water don't really be mixing. So if it does rain, at least my hair will be up so it won't frizz too crazy, hopefully. I put hairspray on it, so we'll see how that goes. But now it's makeup time, so that's what we're gonna do. Just been listening to music, filming my Get Ready With Me TikTok, and then, yeah. So let me do my makeup. It's about almost gonna be 11. I've been chugging down water because I'm gonna be outside for a long time. And then I wanna head that way around 1:30-ish, which I totally think I can do because it's like 10:47, it's not even fully 11. So that even gives me time to go to the mall. So it's gonna be a great day. I'm really excited. Thank you guys also so much for the support on the first vlog. The comments have been really sweet, and thank you for watching. So part 2, and it's match day. It hasn't really hit me. I might start crying in the car when I'm actually there. It hasn't hit me yet, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm not gonna lie. It has been a couple of hours and your girl has been on the struggle bus. It's hot, so I had to go get something else to wear because the pants were too hot. Okay, so I got a skirt. I have a jean skirt on, so that will work. It's 1:30, which is the time. Well, it's 1:40 now, which is the time I wanted to leave. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. And I'm about to head out, take an hour and a half to get there, and then we'll freshen up and do the thing. But it's just the humidity. It's not really the heat, it's the humidity, you know? I did get a ribbon as well, which I haven't put on my head yet, but oh my God, it got crazy there for a second. So we're on our way. I've been terrible at vlogging today, but it is what it is. It's been crazy. But we're just gonna take a deep breath. Let's go. Gotta get some pre-match sustenance. I'm gonna grab some Chick-fil-A. I'm about an hour and 15 minutes away. Gonna grab some Chick-fil-A, gonna get there around 3:30, which is perfect. There's a big storm cloud. I don't know if you guys saw it in the video clip. So I was just thinking, like, what if they have a delay for this game? And I'm thinking about all the people in the UK. So hopefully there's no delay, like the last game and some games before that we tried to watch. So yeah, we'll see. But got some chicken tenders. I'm really excited about it. And some fries. And we're gonna head out. We're gonna head out. It's gonna be great. We got the goods. I just had to share my sauce situation. The honey mustard, the buffalo, the ketchup, the chicken tenders. We ready to go. We ready to go. my God, y'all. It is crazy. Thankfully, everyone's been safe so far. There hasn't been anybody on the road, like, stranded. But, yeah, I felt that. I felt that thunder. This is insane. 17 minutes out. It says it's supposed to pass, but this is insane. I tell you guys, that was the scariest driving I've ever done in my life. It was crazy, but we made it through, and hopefully the storm has passed. But that was intense. So intense, and I never want to experience that again. I was driving so slow, I had my hazards on and I was going dee. But it's okay, we made it, we're fine, everything's good. Now there's more traffic, but this looks like it could be accident related, so I was praying. I was like, Lord, please keep everybody safe. This is crazy, but we made it. Woo! Hey guys, look at that. Look at that cloud. Look at that. We made it. The stadium is huge. I've never been to a football stadium this big. This is outrageous. But we made it. Here's porta potties. And I have to say, it feels like I'm invading enemy territory because there's so many Liverpool fans. So many. So, yeah, it's crazy. But we're just walking through, kind of seeing what's around. I'm not sure if the gates are open yet. So, yeah, but I wore my skirt. So, it's just too hot. So, I have no idea where I'm going, to be really honest with you. I don't think the gates are open. So let us walk around, meet some people, see what's going on, and film a TikTok or two, you know? Maybe, potentially. But there's like cute, it's like those little kids playing soccer and, you know, I love it. It's like I'm with my people, you know? So, feels great, but there's a lot of Liverpool fans. So, I'll catch up with you guys maybe when I'm inside, or if I have an update, or if I run into somebody. So, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just chilling out here, and there's a lot of red. It's interspersed, but there's way more Liverpool, I feel like, so it's cool though, and it's very pretty. It looks like it's gonna rain again though, which is concerning. But I don't know what time the gates are gonna open, so hopefully soon. But it's nice. I love this so much because like you rarely get to see Americans like this in their element, football-wise. So, and it's at this huge stadium. This stadium is humongous, guys. There's little kids playing soccer back there, but Darwin Nunez. I've seen a lot of Luis Diaz as well. I haven't seen much Trent. Unacceptable. Able to find where the players are coming in, and there's a bus coming. So there's a lot of people. Look at that. Waiting. So there's a bus down the street though. I don't know if it's Liverpool or Man United coming up first, but if it's Liverpool, we're gonna boo, okay? There's so many people all waiting to see the bus. There is one down there though. I don't know if that's a team bus though. Yup, it rained a lot, but this poncho came in clutch. So I'm dry up top. My feet are a little wet, but that's okay. I didn't get to, it says I have to enter on the south end, so I was on the opposite side. I was on the north end, so that's where I'm going. And it's thundering and lightning. It's really big lightning. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but yeah, it was raining out here. Look at it, it's so wet. We're getting the full UK experience. Do you hear that? What the F? This better stop, because I swear if this game's canceled, I will cry. East, southeast. We're making our way, people. Really need to go to the bathroom. That's what I really need to do. Yeah, not too wet, not too wet. I don't know what entrance this is. That's a quick update for you though. Hey guys, so my seats are over here, but I have to record this. I know I haven't seen it yet, but I know I'm somewhat close. And there are no words. There are no words. I got a scarf, by the way, so that's cool. They had those dueling scarves, but I don't understand why anyone would ever want a scarf with Liverpool and United on it.
Let's see.
Absolutely not. Okay. I thought it was, yeah, it's right here. It's right here. Oh boy. Alright, I'm trying to walk through. Okay, here we go. Okay, you guys see the pitch? That's how close we are. Well, I'm a little bit higher up, but oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so cool. Those are dope. Woo! So cool. Look, they're spread. Guys, food is up there. There's so many people. Oh my god, it's Wandy and Jadon Sancho. They're right there! Look, there's Rashford. This is crazy. Guys, look, there's Casemiro! Yeah, Cass! There's Mason. Where's Ahmad? He's over there? Yeah, it's Ahmad right there. Him and Hannibal, they're so cute. Let's see who else we can find. Look at Rude. Look at the goat. Look at the goat, Rude. They are right here, you guys. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. my God. It's halftime. We're down 2. I don't want to talk about it until after the match, but I'm not happy. Good thing it's preseason, but like, okay, so that's the game. I'll give my update when I get back. It is raining right now. My hair is definitely gonna be a mess tomorrow. And I don't have any like thing to put in my hair. It's okay though. I'm waiting because the players are coming out. I can see them. So I want to get the bus on camera driving away. And plus the traffic's going to be crazy, so I might as well just sit here and do that. But it's so cool. I'll try to show you guys. Guys, this is the team bus. About to come by. I'm going to wave. I'm sure they can't see me, but I'm going to wave. It's the only chance I have to show my support. That was United. That was Liverpool. And that's not United's bus. It's starting to come down a bit. Oh, I think the players are coming out there. I don't even know if I got that, but the players are walking. That's our bus right there. I'm a little farther back because I didn't want to go right up front, but look, there's the players. Trainer. Oh my gosh, he's coming. They're right there. That's so crazy. A lot of the players. Don't boo them. Bye guys. Bye. Bye. I think I got a terrible clip of the bus because I was too busy waving at them. But it's raining. I'm drenched. And I've never been more happy. Yes, we lost, okay? Let's talk about it. I saw some good things in the first half. I'm seeing improvements, but our final third is we can't finish. Marcus, you guys know I've been super critical on him, but he looked actually sharp today, which is good, you know? But we just cannot finish. And then, because we couldn't finish in the first half, nobody wanted to shoot in the second half, right? So that was frustrating. But one thing I need Ineos to see from this game is that we need depth in the back line. We have no defense. And with Aaron Wan-Bissaka probably playing his last game in a jersey, with injuries we have, I need some signings. And I'm talking about this week, okay? We need the depth immediately. So that's just like my initial thoughts. I hope Fish gets better soon and it's not anything like super serious because that looked bad. And, you know, you never want to see a player go down like that at all. So, man, it has been a great day. I'm going to be sitting in this parking lot for like an hour. So that's nice. But I met some really amazing people. I got to meet Flex and Josh from the United View. So shouts to them. Got some pictures. And then, yeah. Oh, we made it. Thank the Lord. I'm starving. And, yeah. So those are my thoughts. So I forgot to film an outro to the vlog. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm in the airport. My flight was delayed, so it's actually been wonderful because I was able to get most of my vlog edited. So all the hard edits are done, so I just have to now do the aesthetic ones. But I need to film my outro, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the love and support on both of the vlogs. Well, the first vlog for sure. Hopefully you watch the second one. To have met so many awesome people yesterday, to have met Flex and Josh. I'll put pictures here. I forgot to put those in earlier. I met Shane, who is someone who subscribed to me on TikTok. He's in the group chat. So I'll put his picture here. He was also on the United View as well. He did an interview, so shout out to Shane. It was so nice to meet him. So kind. And it was just cool to like meet him in person. And it was just fun. Of course, United didn't win, and that would have been like the icing on the cake, but regardless, I would do it tomorrow if I had another chance to. And now it's time to get to England. So yeah, so many good things to take away from that game. So many exciting things happening for the season. We have community shields coming up on the 10th on Saturday. So, you know, good things are happening, and I'm just so blessed. I'm overwhelmed. I just had to found like a community where like I can just be myself, and like it's been really, really good. I try not to cry in public, but I'm so thankful and humbled and happy. So it's been an amazing weekend, and I've had a great time. So thank you guys, and I'm gonna go now before I break down. It's just been the biggest blessing. It really has. It's just been the best weekend. And yeah, it's been good. It's been really good. And I love this club, and I'm excited for the season. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna finish this vlog, and it's about 2:30 for me now. My flight boards in about an hour, so I still have about an hour, so I should be able to finish the vlog before my flight. I don't know if I'm going to post it though. Because I have to work on the thumbnail. But yeah, I'm so thankful I have this vlog to look back on too. It's the best. So got my coffee here. You guys have a great day. God bless you. And best of luck to you guys and your clubs for the season if you're not a United fan. And I will talk to you guys soon. Love ya. Bye.